In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tasks into Clickup efficiently and effectively. This process is going to save you a lot of time, especially if you have a long list of tasks to manage. So let's dive right in and make task management a breeze. First, open your web browser and go to the Clickup website. It's a user-friendly platform designed for all your task management needs. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the screen. If you're already logged in, great, but if not, this step will get you into your Clickup account. Now, to simplify logging in, Clickup allows you to continue with your Google account. Click on the Continue with Google button and select your account from the list. This quick step saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password and streamlines the process. Once you're in your Clickup workspace, look for the plus icon located in your space. This button is your gateway to adding new tasks, lists, or in our case, initiating an import. Clicking it will give you several options. Among those options, you will find imports. Selecting this will bring you to the import section where you can bring tasks into Clickup from various sources. For this tutorial, we'll focus on importing from spreadsheet files. Click on the option that says Spreadsheet Files. It's a tool that many find incredibly useful for bulk editing and task organization outside Clickup. After selecting Spreadsheet Files, you'll see an option for any spreadsheet. Click on this to proceed. This option means Clickup can handle different spreadsheet formats, giving you flexibility if you've been working with different software. Continue by clicking the button labeled Continue. This takes you deeper into the import process where you'll select your destination for the tasks you are importing. Decide where you'd like to import your tasks. Clickup gives you great flexibility here, so choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. Once you've selected a location, click Continue. At this point, you'll need to click Upload File and browse your computer to find the spreadsheet you wish to import. Ensure it's ready for import with all the data you'll need. Post-upload, it's time to map the fields from your spreadsheet to Clickup's task fields. This mapping ensures that the information imports accurately and displays as intended. Double-check that everything lines up correctly. Hit Continue and you'll see a preview of what your tasks will look like. Make any necessary adjustments and into Clickup. This step uploads your data into the platform. Lastly, click Next to finalize the setup and then complete. Now, all you need to do is wait for the import to finish. And that's it. You've successfully imported tasks into Clickup. By following these steps, you've streamlined your workflow and can get back to what matters most, accomplishing your tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video made your journey with Clickup just a little bit easier.